Do you want to know how you can log into your BSE Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BSE Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, and then search for BSE Mutual Fund login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of BSE Mutual Fund. Go ahead and write down your login credentials such as your username, member ID, and password. Begin with your username. Write down your username in this box and then write down your member ID in the second one, and the third one is for password. Make sure your username, member ID, and password are correct, then click login. This way you can log in to your BSE Mutual Fund account. If you want to remove all of this, go ahead and click reset and you can notice that your page will reload. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on the eye icon. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your account, and if in case you have unlocked or blocked your account, this is the link for you to unlock it once again. I hope this video about how you can log in to your BSE Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.